Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready? Ski daddy, time for the lightning round because we're going to start with Dustin in Florida. Dustin!
Booyah! How are you?
I am well, thank you. How about you, Dustin?
Excellent. I would like to know your thoughts on Norwegian Cruise Line.
One of the worst performers in the market with one of the best CEOs. I still believe. I think at $20 with everything starting to open around the world, it is a. Now we're going to Enrico in New York. Enrico.
Booyah! Giddy up, Jimmy.
Chill says hi to you, man. What's happening?
I feel like I have a bad girlfriend. You had one of these growing up. I can't figure her out.
I never had a bad girlfriend my whole life. Not one. It's incredible. I'm the only person in the world who can say that.
I hear you, but this one's in the electric utility company, and she's just sideways. Even throws in the divvy, though, in there. Ticker symbol, CIG.
I think that's an interesting spec, frankly, because I believe in emerging markets, and that would certainly be the way to play it. I'm going to say you're onto something. I like it. It's kind of like a good girlfriend. Gina in Florida. Gina.
Hi, Jim. Thanks for giving us perspective for all these years.
Absolutely. Sure do try.
Massey makes things. Is the drop a gross overreaction?
You know, I was like astounded that people hate. You know what? We got to bring them on. I am not going to jump to the conclusion because I just said, wow, I'm so glad I've not been pushing that stuff because I had to like their product. I use it every day during the pandemic. Let's get Massimo on. Their products are fantastic, and I never understood that shortfall. Let's go to Fritz in Illinois. Fritz.
Jim, first-time caller. Thanks for having me on.
My pleasure.
All right, sir. I'm calling about Foot Locker. Now, I know there was a big sell-off last week because they said they're going to sell less Nike, but I think that might be an overreaction.
Well, you know what? Here's what I feel about it. I was tempted to think it was an overreaction, but here's my problem. I have another retailer that I like because of the yield and keep thinking it's going to come back, and it's been a mistake. Foot Locker, I think, is at cross purposes with Nike right now. Nike wants to do more direct-to-consumer. Foot Locker's in the way. I am not attracted by that yield, if only just because we were worried about the fundamentals. Let's go to Chris in New Jersey. Chris.
Hi, Jim. This is a first-time caller.
Oh, good.
I've been watching it now for many years with Cutlow and Cramer.
All right.
Thank you for helping help you out with the small investors.
Oh, that's my goal. I was a small investor. That's my goal.
Thank you for taking this phone call. Number one, I want to ask you your opinion of Digital Bridge.
There are too many of those. You know, I mean, like, I don't want to, you know, they invest in Digital Tower. I saw, by the way, that we actually had some better movement in the digital centers, but I'm going to say no to the tower business in any way, shape, or form. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.